Twice a year, students at Graham Elementary and Middle School participate in what is called a student-led conference. These conferences inspire students to own their own learning. A student-led conference is a meeting with a student and his or her family and teachers, and the student facilitates or leads the meeting from start to finish.
A student-led conference is when you meet up with your parent and you tell them how you've been doing, and it's like a check-in with your parent.
You would plan a date to come to school and have a conference with your teacher, and your parent would be there. You would show off your work that they're very proud of and a single work that they would like to improve on. You would write a script, and then when you're done with that script, you would practice that script on one of your crewmates or classmates.
So we have this script, and we're supposed to write down certain pieces of work that you're proud of and how you feel about it. You're also supposed to put like something that you can improve on, and you have to like write down learning targets or habit targets for that certain piece of work.
Students show their family their work, which includes tests, writing samples, artwork, and more, and discuss what they have learned and where there is room for growth.
I'm here to show you how I've grown as a learner this year. One thing I'm proud of is my improvement in math. Another thing that I'm proud of is my grades, and something that I can improve on is division.
What I remember from parent-teacher conferences, it's just me going in and the teacher telling me what my kid has done in their class. And the difference, I think, is with having the student lead the session is I feel like I get to know more about what he's actually learning in school versus his behavior. And so I get to know, he comes home and tells me what he's learned, but I get to see it, and I think it gives him pride in being able to present it and be a part of it as well.
I chose this work because it shows that I've improved in math. And I also learned that if I take my time, I can succeed. So I got 31 out of 27 because I did the extra credit.
Nice.
And she told us to put the specific reason or how we got the answer for our things, for our
To show your work.
yeah.
Student-led conferences are consistently preferred to traditional parent-teacher conferences by parents, students, and teachers for a variety of reasons. These conferences help students take responsibility for their learning in both academic and habits of scholarship and character, share insights about themselves as learners, engage in assessment for learning, discuss academics with their parents in a positive and proactive way, improve verbal communication and critical thinking skills, and build open relationships with families about school progress.
I think it helps them by getting them more prepared because it can make them feel good about their work, especially once they do it, especially since they tell it to their parents.
I really like the student-led conferences. I've noticed over the past couple of years that Asher's been doing the conferences that he's really grown in being able to talk in front of adults and share what he's learned. And I've enjoyed seeing him progress as the years have gone on.
I personally like how you could show your grade, like on your class, like you can pick what work you could show. That's what I personally like.
Thank you for supporting me and for coming to my student-led conference.
My pleasure.